Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Citi credit card account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Citi credit card account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address citi.com, and after that you enter. And then you'll be redirected to the home page of Citi over here. And you can see guys, at the right side of the home page of Citi credit card, there is a panel available for us to enter our user ID and password, which we have registered on Citi credit card at the time of creating our account. And after entering a user ID and your password, but guys, if you've forgotten your password or your user ID, you can always reset or retrieve your account's user ID or password from over here. If you click on either of these buttons where it says the user ID or password, you'll be taken to a page where you can proceed to either reset your password or retrieve your user ID. With that being said guys, after entering your user ID and your password, simply click on the sign on button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Citi account online on your computer. And there, this is how you log into your Citi credit card account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.